Welcome to Shifting Grades. Today we are going to study a question on probability, and we are given that a wedding committee consisting of 3 people is to be chosen from 5 men and 7 women. Draw a tree diagram to represent the information or the above information. So here we are going to do a selection. We are doing a selection. And because we want a committee of 3 people from 5 men and 7 women, it should be common sense that 1 man or 1 woman cannot be selected twice in the committee, which means it will be selection without replacement. So in the tree diagram, in the first selection, whereby we are saying the member can either be a man or a woman, the probability of choosing a man, because men are 5, will be 5 out of a total of 12 people, since we have 5 and 7 women. Then now, selecting a woman will be 7 out of 12. That is the first selection. In the second selection, in the second choosing of a member, we can still choose a man or a woman. And choosing a man for the second time, because we have already chosen a man, then choosing a man again goes down to 4, but now out of 11, because we have already chosen a member. And women remain 7 out of 11. In the other case, if we had chosen a woman, selecting a woman again goes down to 6 out of 11, but selecting a man will be 5 out of 11. If we proceed for the third picking a man for the third time will be 3 out of 10, because we've already chosen 2 people, and picking a woman will be, because we have chosen 3 men out of 10, women will be 7 out of 10. For this other case, if we had chosen a woman, choosing a woman for the third time, for this case will become 6 out of 10, which means men will be 4 out of 10. If we had chosen a man, choosing a man again, because it was 5 out of 11, it now goes to 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. And this means choosing a woman will be 6 out of 10. Then finally, if we had chosen a woman, selecting a woman again will be now 5 out of 10. That means selecting a man, this should be man, M. Selecting a man will be 5 out of 10, because probability in each bracket or each branch should total to 1. So that is the tree diagram. We can outline the outcomes at the end of the branches, such that the first case will be man, man, followed by man. The other one, I'm seeing a man, then a woman. The other case is a man, a woman, then a man. We have a man, woman, woman. Then we have now women, followed by man, then a man. Women, followed by man, then a woman. Then we have women, followed by women, then a man. And finally women, women, women. So these are the outcomes, the possible outcomes in that selection. We are now using the tree diagram in part B to find the probability that Roman 1 or the committee members are of the same gender. Probability same gender is going to be either probability men, 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 or probability women, women, women. So when we have men all through, we shall use 5 out of 12, 4 out of 11, and 3 out of 10. Or means addition. When we are choosing women all through, we shall start with 7 out of 12, 6 out of 11, and 5 out of 10. And this is going to give us a total probability of, let me add it directly, 5 out of 12 times 4 out of 11 times 3 out of 10. Then we add, starting from 7 out of 12, we go to 6 out of 11, then 5 out of 10, and this will give us 9 out of 44. 9 out of 4. So that is the probability that the 3 members are of the same gender. We are finding now probability that at least 2 of the committee members are men. At least 2 men. Probability at least 2 men. At least 2 men. And this will be probability either, we want the cases whereby men are either 2 or above. When we say at least 2 men, we mean either 2 or above. So can be probability men, men, or probability, that is one case. Here, men, men, then a woman, or probability men, women, then a man. Here we have 2 men. The other case will be here, whereby it is probability a woman followed by 2 men. So these are the cases whereby there are at least 2 men. At least 2 men in that committee. And therefore, trying to express each of these probabilities, we'll have 5 over 12 times 4 out of 11 times 3 out of 10, or probability men, which is 5 over 12 followed by men 4 out of 11 followed by women 7 over 10, or probability men 5 out of 12 followed by women 7 out of 11, then followed by men 4 out of 10, or finally the probability a woman 7 out of 12 followed by a man 5 out of 11, and also a man 4 out of 10. So these are the probabilities that the committee is consisting of at least 2 men. So we start with 5 out of 12 by 4 out of 11 by 3 out of 10 plus 5 out of 12 by 4 out of 11 by 7 out of 10, then plus 5 out of 12 or 7 out of 11 or 4 out of 10, and finally 7 out of 12 or 5 out of 11 times 4 out of 10, and this is resulting to 4 out of 11. So when you solve all that, you get 4 out of 11 as the final answer. So that is how we solve the question involving a tree diagram. Thank you for following. Kindly subscribe to Shifting Grades and share our link.